In less than 20 days, the novel coronavirus numbers in India have gone up by more than 3 times. On Thursday, with a spike of 4,000 fresh cases, total number of confirmed cases crossed 82,000. On April the 25th, this number was less than 27,000. However, only 53,000 of these cases were active, meaning the rest, over 28,000, had recovered from the disease and were unlikely to infect others. The Supreme Court dismissed a petition that asked that the centre be ordered to provide food and water to migrants on the move. The top court said it is impossible for this court to monitor who is walking and not walking and put the onus of action on the states. Reacting sternly to the advocate's plea, the court said it will give the petitioner a special pass if he can go and implement the government's orders on providing relief to migrant labourers undertaking hundreds of kilometres of long journeys back home. The Assam government urged the centre to extend the lockdown for another 14 days after May 17th to contain the spread of coronavirus. The state governments were scheduled to share their draft proposals on post-May 17th strategies with the centre today. The Delhi government, on the other hand, is seeking further relaxations except for in containment zones, with proposals to even start public transport and shopping complexes on an odd-even basis. BJP MP from West Bengal's Barakpur, Arjun Singh, wrote to the state governor Jagdeep Dhankar alleging that under instruction of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, the Joint Police Commissioner Ajay Thakur had attempted to assassinate him and his family on the pretext of cross-firing. He demanded an inquiry against the officer. The World Bank has announced a $1 billion social protection package for India linked to Government of India programs amid the coronavirus pandemic. Earlier in April, the World Bank's Board of Executive Directors had approved a fast-track $1 billion India COVID-19 Emergency Response and Health Systems Preparedness Project to help India prevent, detect and respond to the COVID-19 pandemic and strengthen its public health preparedness. The central government has started work to prepare for the resumption of commercial domestic flights. A draft proposal in this regard has already been circulated among stakeholders that suggests passengers download Arogya Setu app and no cabin baggage be allowed. Flights may resume in a staggered manner over the next 1 month while enforcing social distancing norms. Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla has participated in at least 7 group phone calls with counterparts in the US, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, South Korea, Vietnam since March 20th to decide whether to let Taiwan attend the World Health Assembly meet as an observer. The group says Taiwan's inputs on the pandemic will be important. India has traditionally supported the One China policy but has been in talks with groups advocating for Taiwan's independent presence at the meet.